Ever found yourself needing to add funds to your Qonto account and feeling a bit lost? You're not alone. Whether you're a busy entrepreneur managing daily expenses or part of a growing team needing to top up a shared account, knowing the quickest and most efficient way to get money in is a game changer. We all want to spend less time on admin and more time on what truly matters, growing our business. In today's video, we're diving deep into the surprisingly simple process of topping up your Qonto account. We'll cover all the different methods, from the classic bank transfer to the instant, modern solutions that get your money where it needs to be in no time. Forget the complicated steps and confusing jargon. We're breaking it down into a clear, easy-to-follow guide that anyone can use. By the end of this, you'll be a pro at managing your Qonto cash flow. Let's start with the most traditional and reliable method, the bank transfer. This is probably the one you're most familiar with. To top up your Qonto account this way, all you need is your unique IBAN. You can find this right on your Qonto dashboard. Simply log in, navigate to the Accounts section, and your IBAN will be displayed prominently. Once you have it, go to your external bank's app or website and initiate a transfer using that IBAN. It's important to make sure all the details are correct to avoid any delays. The biggest drawback here is the time it takes. Depending on your bank and the time of day, a standard transfer can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of business days to clear. But what if you need the money now? This is where the instant payment options come in, and Qonto has some great solutions. If your external bank supports instant transfers, you can use your Qonto IBAN just like before, but select the instant payment option. The funds will appear in your Qonto account almost immediately. This is a lifesaver for those last-minute expenses or urgent payments. Check with your bank to see if they offer this service and if there are any associated fees. Another fantastic instant option, especially for Qonto users in the same country, is a Qonto-to-Qonto transfer. This is one of the platform's best features for internal transfers. If you're paying a colleague or another business that also uses Qonto, the money moves instantly, with zero fees. It's as simple as entering their Qonto IBAN and the amount you want to send. The funds are available for use in their account in a matter of seconds. This is perfect for intercompany payments, expense reimbursements, or just sending money between different Qonto accounts you might own. Finally, let's talk about topping up with a debit or credit card. While Qonto is a business account, some providers offer services that allow you to push funds from a debit or credit card to an IBAN. This isn't a standard feature within the Qonto platform itself, but it's a workaround that some of you might find useful. Look into third-party services that facilitate card-to-bank transfers. This method can sometimes come with fees, so always check the fine print before you proceed. It's a great option for situations where you have a company debit card with funds you need to move to your main Qonto account for a specific purpose. So, to quickly recap, you have a few powerful options. The standard bank transfer for a reliable, though slower, approach. Instant transfers from your external bank for speed. Qonto-to-Qonto transfers for instant, free payments between users. And the debit/credit card workaround for specific situations. The best method for you really depends on your needs, but having these options at your fingertips gives you complete control over your business's finances. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.